Pardon to mention, my
Pass on the memo.
Beg your lordship's pardon to mention, my lords, since it's a content matter of 2016, since 18 I have been filing memos not being listed, it's a contempt in a PIL relating to a water body in an area. It became a breeding ground.
No, sir. So the memo.
Well, it's now the epidemic of dengue is starting. This is the starting
Pass on
point.
the memo, sir. We'll
That's
list
not being listed. I filed many memos here
Please,
also.
I will ensure that it is listed. Isa is relating to a Katak affair.
A Cuttack, a water body which is
So you'll have-
completely
It's a
deserted.
bench.
Will not-
It's a bench. You go there.
No, this matter is coming before lordships because
Mr. Lal,
yes,
Mr. Lal, we have sent the PIL relating to Cuttack to that day.
no, this is a contempt relating to a PIL. It was coming in this court, my lords.
List it. Then we can send it to the.
Item number 1.
What is? What is this?
That should be instructions that we receive from the RDC.
What you have done?
Lordship, that after the amendment to the Odisha OMMC rules, Your Lordship, the appeal will lie to the Deputy Director of Mines, Your Lordship.
He has already filed an appeal
Yes,
to amendment.
yes, Your
Then
Lordship.
what is the normal rule? The rule is that if there is a change of law, then those files have to be sent to a proper officer.
So, Lordship, today they have fixed the matter. Today, yes.
So go there. We are not keeping it because now they have fixed they have fixed the matter. Being perplexed with the
Item number 2.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Not here, you should.
On the last occasion, they've taken.
My
time to
lords,
take
in-
instructions.
My lords, in item number 2, may I be requested to file a counter affidavit in this matter, my lords?
For your benefit,
My lords, because the issue here is payment of escalation fees to the petitioner.
absolutely.
Yes, my lords. The only problem here lies is for the period between 2012 to 19, there is no guideline. And the 2012 circular, which is relied upon in the contract, has been quashed. So, what steps and annexure to some 4 lakh odd rupees had already been given to the petitioner? What is the basis of the calculation and how? What are the reason for rejection of other sum? For to that effect, if I may be permitted to file a counter affidavit, my lords.
File a counter. How soon?
My lords, 3 weeks, my lords.
3 week rejoinder, if any, within a week thereafter. Put the matter after 4 weeks.
Item number 3.
Please, my lord. My lord, this read application is in the nature of PIL, my lord. Here, my lord, the grievance of the petitioner is that, my lord, the voucher land, my lord, the land reserved for the cattle grazing, my lord, the village that has been encroached. So I have given representation since the last one is.
Yes. Any steps have been taken?
And it has come for the first time, my lord. I'll have to. This butcher land certainly it cannot be encroached where there is
Neither it
highly
can be
objectionable.
settled, Neither.
It cannot be
settled in
settled,
favor of the
my lord.
encroachers.
My lord. So it has the allegation is it has been encroached by some outside.
Section 7 of this, what is that act? OLE? What?
OGLS, Odisha Government Land Settlement Act 3A. 3A is the provision file. 7 is of the OPLE, my lord.
That is what I was saying.
No, here it is butcher land means it is under it has to be de-reserved, then it can be settled. Otherwise, it cannot be.
So take a step.
Steps against the encroacher. But what step? It has to be taken by the Tahsildar. So let me
Take instructions.
take instructions. 2 weeks, my lord. Maybe grant.
Item number 4.
Similar to a matter which I had done earlier, where the case was dropped before the mines tribunal. The counsel was absent. I have given the number of the earlier rate. It was disposed of on 15/7.
Because of your non-appearance.
Non-appearance. Same day, all 3 matters. Only the RC case numbers would change.
The ground of a lawyer.
Same. Everything is same except the 2 other
Yes, my
numbers.
lords. Yes, my lords.
Yes, my lord, that.
So we have directed to reconsideration.
Yes. I have given the number also in a
Give
memo.
a number. That he has given a number.
Yes.
Number of the order is not uploaded.
Not yet up.
Why?
My associates tell that it's not yet.
Find out. I know. Yes, find out the file and give it to me in the recess.
My lords.
Yes,
For your lordship's convenience, only the RC numbers would change. Others all same.
There we have mentioned
RC.
3 RC numbers.
Yes.
In that, on that date, we were under confusion.
My lords.
So we have dictated 3 numbers. we
In
have
fact,
taken
the
together.
read prayers contain the independent RC numbers. We're grateful to you.
Item number 5.
Yes, 180 I will give it.
Two matters, both the matters. Both the matters, lords.
Item number 6.
May I please, Lordship? Item number 6, I am appearing through VC, my lord. This is a writ petition in the nature of PIL, my lord. And through this writ petition, through this writ petition, I'm challenging Extra 1 series, my lord, at page number 14. Page number 14 is the UI that expressed.
PIL against the tender lies. You could
That has been
challenge
issued. There are.
You
I
can
would like to highlight,
itself, but PIL.
my lord, My lord, my problem is that I'm a private individual, my lord, and I have disclosed my identity. Here, my lord, if your lordship will see, the selection of public, this particular UI is for public sector undertakings only. So I am not a bidder. So I cannot, challenge this particular irregularities of my own.
Why not?
That's the reason
Why not?
I have rejected to file the PIL, because there are
Why?
irregularities,
Why?
illegalities.
Sir, simply illegality does not make a public interest litigation. There are several ingredients of the public interest litigation. How
But
the public
here,
is affected by this? If there is an individual, I think infringement of right, then he can challenge it that this is what is discriminatory, not permitting me to participate.
my lord, I'm not challenging that particular clause. My grievance is that this is a matter of 45 crores, my lord, and huge amount of public money is involved, and there are
Who are
irregularities.
you? Are you an intending bidder?
No, I am not an intending bidder. I am a political person, my lord. I am a
What do
political
you do?
leader,
What do you
and
do?
I,
What do you do? What do you
my lord,
do?
I'm a political leader. I have disclosed my identity, my lord, at page number 3, paragraph number 2, my lord. There I have disclosed my political application, my lord. Page 3, paragraph number 2.
Yes, what do you say?
My lords, the
My
tender
here, my lord, my very specific prayer is that I want an inquiry, independent inquiry to be done by, maybe preferably by the opposite partner or one, the government authority, my lord, because there are irregularities on the face of the record. That apart, also there are factual disputes. I understand when I am invoking 226, I cannot.
You have to first satisfy the court that the restricting the tender to only a government agency offends any of the constitutional provisions.
My lord, I am not challenging that particular thing, my lord. I have no issue if it is limited to the public sector undertakings only. My
Therefore,
grievance is that my lord, there are one
please, please
I,
read the judgments right from 1980 onwards,
my lord.
and then satisfies that the PIL of this nature lies. Satisfy us. Simply because you are a political man does not make you a person who can come for the under the public interest litigation. You'll have to show that this offends any of the core provisions of the Constitution. It offends many things, many of the statutory provisions. So that it cannot be restricted to the government company.
Lord, my humble submission before your lordship is that I am not challenging that particular clause. My only grievance is that there is irregularities, other irregularities in the UI. There, my lord, there are two UIs in the same number.
What
I'm
are
not
those
challenging this
irregularities?
particular provision, my lord.
What is that provision? Show us.
My lord,
Show us.
first thing is that, my lord, there are two UI, that is one is offline one, which is at page number 14. Another is at page number 18. It is of online one, having the
Yes.
same number and on the same date, my lord.
Yes.
However, if your lordship, if I take it to page number 15, that is the offline one, there
Yes.
at serial number 3, the marks given, the score given is 20 for the employee strength in the organization, whereas in the online version, my lord, at page number 19, there at serial number 3 again, the marks given is 15. In the
Yes.
same. Another thing I would like to draw your lordship attention at page number 16, serial number 5 for the presentation. it is 35. The marks is given 35. However, in the offline thing, at page number
Page
20,
number?
serial number 5, for presentation, the marks is 45. So my grievance is that same
Okay.
EY, same
Yes,
number,
sir.
same date, both are
Yes, sir.
my lord,
Please, sir.
my lord, my lord, my lord.
Online application, also please, that is 18.
18, page 18. Yes.
So can you just come down to 19, serial number 3, employee strength in organization, last column shows 15. 15.
Yes.
But if you go to offline mode, that is page number 15, that shows 20 minutes. Page number 15.
Yes.
That shows against serial number 3,
Yes.
20.
Yes.
So there is a discrepancy.
Yes.
So the offline mode and the online mode, there is a discrepancy. So he is saying some other reports are also he is pointing it out. So I think there will be variation in offline mode and that is what I think he is impressing upon.
So that the PI.
Yes, my lord. Another grievance I have is that is annexure 2. There is a vigilance case pending against the opposite part number 3, to which favor the particular bid has been settled, my lord. So my grievance is that public money, my lord, my lord.
Sir, the difficulty online is that you do not listen to us.
I apologize, my lord. I apologize, my lord.
Numbers is 23 marks for the engineer circuit. Then the country is plus 9, same kind. 5 marks. 3. So,
Madam, have you noticed?
Yes, my lord.
Is the
issue a corrigendum?
My lords, the CTA, my lords, has issued the,
you have not issued?
no, my lords,
You are representing urban and
only opposite party number.
urban department.
Yes,
My lord.
This is a minor discrepancy, nothing of that kind. You can issue a corrigendum.
Yes, my lord.
my
That is my grievance.
party number
That
2.
is your grievance. For that, you have filed a PIL.
But because there is another thing, that is annexure 2.
What
Annexure, there is a vigilance case again pending against this particular company, my lord. And this type of discrepancy has been done.
The contract. Why at this stage? Vigilance, mere pendency of a vigilance case disentitles or invites debarment.
No, my lord, if
And
no, my
at
lord,
the
I understand.
the time of awarding, they will consider whether he can be or he cannot be. Here, the allegation has not been proved. Only the vigilance case is pending. So,
My lord. But I understand, my lord. But coupled with this discrepancies, this irregularities on the face of the
now,
record,
the minor
it's,
discrepancy. Who is the who is
Mr. Dayanand Mahapatra is
that is what if you call these are the noticeable discrepancies. Instead of 5, it should be 10. It will cure the entire defect.
Can you please intimate his associate?
Yes, my lords.
We are just making a passover, call him.
Yes, my lords.
Item number 7.
May I please? That the petitioner has been selected as successful bidder for the sand surveyor Handi Dongriguda under Kalampur Tahsil in the district of Kalahandi. And
You wanted, sir, the extension of a lease period.
no, for the operation of the lease, operation of the
To
lease.
operate
I have
the
been
lease.
divided by operating the lease. Since the lease deed is executed since 2021, till date I have not been allowed to operate it.
Who's for the other side?
Government Mining and revenue.
Nobody knows.
Lease is for 5 years. Already 4 years.
I have already understood. You wanted that since this lease was for a period of 5 years, but you were not allowed to operate.
Right.
And therefore, at least the commencement of the lease should be from the date when you are allowed to operate. And then 5 years you wanted to do it. That is your
Right.
only grievance.
First, I may be allowed to operate the lease. Thereafter,
Then the lease will operate from that date
miles.
and will run for 5 years.
Okay.
Understood. That's why we ask. Where is an order putting a fetter on you, on your operation? Why you could not operate?
There was complaint from the villagers. That complaint was resolved, man.
When?
Under Annexure 6 by the collector.
Has he ordered for operation?
Yes, my lord.
When?
No, and that resolution was intimated to the mining officer on 22/1/24 under Annexure 8.
So there are 2-3 things. Please kindly let me. First thing is, you say that there was some objections from the villagers.
Yes, my lord.
Whether the authority passed any order on the basis of an objection that stopped the operation for the time being. Have they passed any order?
No, there was no such order.
Did you write to the authority that look, these are the objections which are coming, which renders the operation?
My lord, it is under Annexure 6, my lord, order of the collector.
What? What was the writ petition filed before this court?
That was the villagers filed the writ petition, and this honorable court, this honorable court directed the collector to consider the matter.
Whether any interim order was passed?
No, no interim. And collector, considering the order of this honorable court, passed the order under Annexure 6. Therefore, there is no impediment to allow the petitioner authority to allow the petitioner to operate the lease. And the very order of the collector was intimated under Annexure 8 to the mining officer. Let them take instruction from the mining officer.
So the objection of the villagers was not acceptable, was
Yes,
not accepted by this court. And then why the collector initiated a proceeding?
By virtue of the order of this honorable court, to consider the
this is a
grievance of the petitioner of
order.
that writ petition.
No, I am looking at the order of the High Court.
That I have not.
You have not annexed.
Yes, it is quoted in my writ petition, my para 7 of my writ petition. Para 7 of my writ petition.
Page 4.
Page 4, para 7.
Yes. It was simple direction to consider.
My lord.
is
And
by the
collector considered the same under annexure
And
6.
now they have already issued an order. That is in 2023.
Yes, my lord.
29 December 2023, there is an order.
My lord.
Any further litigation?
No litigation.
There is no further
My
litigation.
lord. And it was
So-
communicated under annexure 8.
Where is your letter for? Did you start?
No, I have not started. I am not being allowed to start.
Who are putting obstacle?
Mining officer.
Mining officer is putting obstacle.
Yes, my lord.
He is not permitting.
No.
Yes, madam.
Kindly see on annexure 8, my lord. And also annexure 9. The deputy director of mines was directed to by the collector.
Who is this Bhagwan Bihari?
The petitioner, my lord, who is the successful bidder.
Then has it been transferred to mining officer?
Yes, my lord.
Where do I get it? I got the letter that it has to be transferred to mining, the copy of the order of the collector. Then what thereafter?
Thereafter, annexure 9, my lord, kindly.
No, this is the assistant collector. He is forwarding your grievance letter
My lord.
to a deputy director of mines.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is he?
He is the controlling authority.
Yes, madam, what is this?
I seek instructions, Your
What
Lordship.
instruction? The matter traveled this court. This court dismissed the writ petition. Villagers' objection was not acceptable. Then it went back to the collector. The collector says that everything was in order. There cannot be any grievance. All the laws have been taken into consideration. And thereafter, the matter is still hovering around. Then he says, please permit me to use it. You're not doing it.
Lordship, I'll seek instruction from the mining officer as to why he's being prevented. If at all, what are the reasons, Your Lordship? Because it's been already transferred to them, to the mining department, Your Lordship.
That's
Still
what
in-
I'm saying, and everybody is sitting tight over the matter. And that was done on 17th of May,
Yes, Your Lordship.
2025. What you are doing?
Seek instructions. Your
Take
Lordship.
instruction within 1 week. Next week, that next Friday, give the matter. Appraisals. Next Friday. Very fine.
Mr. Mahapatra.
Item number 6, sir.
You appear for that authority. Yes, ma'am. So now the thing is that he has highlighted a discrepancy. It's a ministerial discrepancy. In a offline, I mean the physical, the notification, you have indicated one thing, but in online, it appears that there is some discrepancy. Same thing.
Same.
So I think
can
that
be-
has
it
to
can
be
be rectified.
rectified.
Can be rectified.
Go to that, and you solve me copy.
He is online.
Yeah.
Mr. Mahapatra.
6 appears.
Mr.
My lord,
Sasmal, give him a copy
my lord,
in course of this day.
I'll serve. My lord, I'll serve a copy, my lord.
In course of this day, you go. We are keeping this matter on Tuesday. Minor.
I understand.
One corrigendum.
Obviously, it must be correlated.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
same thing
Yeah.
must be.
Yes.
Miss Das can
Give a
apply-
copy. You give copy. Just to expedite the matter.
But I will take that, no problem. I will take it from it.
Highlight that discrepancy.
I will discuss with her. I will see that it should be sorted out.
Yes.
Item number 8.
My lord, petitioner is a transport contractor for transportation of custom milled rice from rice receiving center to different retail rice. The input notification tender notice, that is Annex 1, the fixed transportation cost is too low, which is an unworkable amount.
69.98. This is that matter.
That matter fixed to 28th July, my lord, similar matter.
Oh.
28th July.
This has to go to opposite party number.
Notice.
Instruction to appear for OP 2 and 3. Lord.
I will short up.
What is the state
Similar
civil
matter, my
supply?
lord.
What is the state civil supply corporation?
18300, similar matter. Posted to 28th July.
Tag with that.
Man. Item 9.
Yeah, please. My lord, it's a PIL matter, my lord. The petitioners are the secretary and president of the village puja committee. The fact of the case, my lord. Of the case, my lord, the villagers have no Anganwadi center building for their children to study, for which the Anganwadi center is running in the house of the Anganwadi worker. My lord,
House of the Anganwadi worker.
my lord, the minor children are facing much more difficulties due to non-ability of the permanent Anganwadi center. My lord, please kindly have a glance to page 27, the letter of the CDPO to the Tahsildar. Page 27, Annexure 4.
You should compliment that Anganwadi worker that he or she has allowed his or her house to be utilized for that purpose, and you are raising an objection. What are you doing?
Anganwadi center was approved for construction. I am also for the petition.
I'm on the lighter side.
Yes.
My lord, I'll have a glance to page 27.
But it was not being constructed because of obstruction, because land has been enclosed by Opinor height. We have submitted a representation to the collector. The collector is to take action.
You have identified the land. You have sanctioned for construction. And if some encroaches are there, why you would not? And Anganwadi concept has come so that you can reach the people at their doorstep.
There is an allegation against OP5, he is encroaching. So notice that.
Forget about encroachment. Let us go to a larger issue.
Yes.
You have identified a land, you have sanctioned for construction of a Anganwadi center there. Why you will not construct? Let us go. Who is an encroacher? We don't know. You have to construct.
Let me.
I do not know why they have been pleaded opposite party number 5.
The allegation is the OP number
Why
5.
they have, I do not know. The plain and simple where is that how you can just sit over the matter.
But the reason why they have implemented that is at para 7. So I'll have to take instruction what has happened by para 7. That is why they have implemented.
And they did not apply when they draft. It was a plain and simple matter.
Yes.
That Anganwadi center has been approved and sanctioned by the government.
Yes.
Yet the government is not making. What is the reason? It is a headache of a government.
Yes.
They want that facility to come. They have invited the problems with them. by implementing opposite parties of contract. You want a early disposal or a delayed disposal?
Early disposal.
Can't be secured because then the notice to opposite party number 5 has to go. So it will delay the disposal.
Yes, my notice.
You want delayed disposal.
You said delayed the open number 5.
I think they
Silent policy.
You said delayed. You said delayed to open number on the cost.
notice to opposite party number 5, no difficulty. Actually, provisional. You wanted more interested in showing that I have approached the High Court and the matter is pending. Then the redressal of the actual grievance. It will be appreciated. It will remain pending here. Don't worry. Notice to opposite party number 5.
Item number 10.
Wait, please, mails. The lordship's mail appear virtually minutes. Here, Millards, I participated in a tender for supply of elastic rail clips, which Millards the tender was quoted by the East Coast Railways. And pursuant to that, Millards, I was awarded that tender where I was supposed to supply around 39 lakhs elastic rail clips. Millards, is those clips that your lordships have seen that is installed on sleeper that are there on the tracks, the round clips, those. Now, Millards, there were certain disputes that came up where unilaterally certain modifications were being carried out to the contract with relation to who will be the inspecting agency, for which there was a detailed letter that was protested by me on 14th of April 2025 at page 87. Millards, we'll see. Annexure 14. This, Millards, is a letter of 14th April 2025, which I have written. Millards, it's a detailed letter. Your lordship may just take the last two paras at page 90. We wish to express our serious concern. Your lordship have page 19. We wish to express our serious concern over the repeated and ongoing deviations from the agreed contractual terms. These continued actions have only reaffirmed the verbal communication we had earlier, wherein it was conveyed to us that there is no present requirement for the maintenance. Here the steps are being taken to circumvent the contract. This dispute has arisen between Surya Law Industry, that is me, Millards, and yourself. We invoke.
They constituted the dispute resolution committee?
No, they haven't. Yes,
Can
that
you
clause.
clause 01?
Yes, that is page 21.
Page
21. 21. Page 21.
Is 21?
Yes.
The writ petition is of 28 pages.
Yes. In the writ petition, I have quoted that. Because this is a very voluminous contract. So I've quoted it.
Page 21.
All the 21 minutes. I've quoted it. All disputes and differences of any kind whatsoever arising out of or in connection with the contract, whether during the currency of the contract or after its completion, and whether before or after the determination of contract shall be referred by any of the parties to the chief materials manager or divisional railway manager or executive director through notice of dispute. CMM or divisional railway manager or executive director shall, within 30 days after receipt of notice of dispute, notify the name of sole conciliator to the parties. The conciliator shall assist the parties to reach an amicable settlement in an independent and impartial manner within the terms. If the parties reach agreement on settlement of the dispute, they shall drop a written settlement agreement.
This is really a precondition for moving before the court for appointment of the arbitrator.
Yes. Now, this conciliation request was never.
Never. What has happened, sir?
In fact, it was.
Conciliation.
And your lordship will see what happens next. That is very shocking. They
What?
carry out an inspection. When there is a dispute, they carry out an inspection, Millets, suddenly on 1st of May. Your lordship will see the next page, Millets, at page 91. What they do, Millets, they say that such and such number of elastic rail clips, the ERCs, are rejected. For your lordship will see at page 91. That is, and this is annexure 15 series, which is the impugned letter in this bullet. Warranty rejection dated 2025. Now, when my request for conciliation is pending, 7th of May 2025, they say 300 millets will seek quantity 300 numbers. The reason, millet, is manufacture and supply of elastic rail clip Mark 5 with flat toe, conforming to RDSO drawing number such and such, specification IRS specification for elastic.
The rejection ground is that the braking while fixing to sleeper at PQRS based report as well
Yes.
as.
But let's see, your lordship will see a very strange thing. Look, there are 3 warranty rejection advices which are impugned under annexure 15 series. This is 300 number. Then your lordship will see at page 97, 2000 numbers.
Yes.
And sorry, I missed another page, blocks. That is 95, 1000 numbers. 300, 1000, 2000. All millets, very surprisingly, in round figures, the ERCs are breaking.
Sir, if it is rejected on a quality basis.
Yes,
and what is used in the railway sleepers just to fix them,
yes.
with the rails.
Yes, grateful.
It has a larger impact on the safety, security, and the life of
precisely. I bow down. I bow down to that.
The court will not definitely interfere when they have cited that the goods are not as per the specification or do not have such a strength.
Millets may, yes, millets, therefore millets will kindly take page 100.
We can't caution. We are not a.
Kindly take millets page 100.
If you have rejected, Mr. DSG.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have rejected, and if this clause 2901 talks about the conciliation proceedings to be gone into, then in that event, how can you sat over the matter? You will have to initiate a conciliation because that is a precursor to the step to be taken for appointment of an arbitrator in case of a dispute.
And it's listed for first time, didn't have an instruction, but I gone through the records and the test clause is coming with clause 7 onwards.
We are not entering into the
merits
technicalities of it.
Yes, ma'am.
We are conscious.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the importance of those materials so far as the railway tracks are concerned?
Yes, ma'am.
We are not entering. But if the clause says that there will be modalities of a conciliation, then they can go convince the conciliator with their, the expert's report that this is how the situation is. Please review. If the conciliation fails, then the another course of action which is provided in the act, they will take recourse to. But they are stuck up. Neither they can go anywhere, nor. So you can't keep them in medio.
I hope that they must have done something. But let's say we get some time, I'll take instructions regard.
Straight away. Yes. We wanted the conciliation. You have to identify the officer. Let there be a conciliation proceeding. Whether successful, they must have done something. But
we are ready. We are ready for the conciliation.
After 7 days or 10 days, I will take you the instruction of
Millets, your lordship will see page 100. I immediately questioned them.
Though the certain quantities of
Well, at 25th, I have some difficulty. Either
Yes,
25th or
Last day.
28th. 28th is okay, or
Come on, Thursday.
29th.
One day before.
Yes, 24th. Yes, fine.
24th. Notes, I had a request. If this warranty rejection advice may not be enforced, because this is about deduction.
Sorry, sir. Definitely not.
The product, the product they are rejected.
No, sir.
Very
No,
well.
sir.
There.
We'll
Item 11.
Yes, sir.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Equipment 2 and 3 floated tender matter, different equipment for medical equipment, and petitioner participate in the bid matter, and petitioner qualified along with another as annexure 2 and 3 matter. Running page 132. This is a list of selection and rejection list matter, and serial number.
Qualifying bidders are 2.
Yes, petitioner along with another matter.
You are number 1 or 2?
Number 2 matter.
Number 2.
And similarly, annexure 3, another item, the present petitioner was qualified along with same company matter.
Then,
but till that man, the date was in the opening date of price bidder date was fixed to 30/11/2024. But till that, they are not open matter. Last line of the page 32, 132.
I appreciate
My let's
it's
notice
good
has
for you,
no.
good for them,
My let's
good for the legal fraternity.
it's the number 2 and 3, my lord.
For this, a person has to approach the writ court. Just imagine. I appreciate it's good for the legal fraternity, but
My let's notice has to go to opposite party number 2 and 3.
we are ready, but
Only player to direct the two.
don't you understand what
My
he
lord,
is saying?
my lord.
Only player to open the price.
Says, I am not the authority. It is the other authority who is responsible.
That's state government. My lord.
That is state government undertaking, my lord.
No, she is saying opposite party number 2.
2 and 3,
2
my
and
lord.
3.
Odisha State Medical Corporation.
Yeah, undertaking state government. My lord.
Whatever.
And I
They
saw
not, they
They have-
their inability to represent. Visualize.
Only for opening of price bid, no price. Also, I am.
That why I make a comment.
Yes,
My lord, my lord.
yes.
Find it disposable direction.
Can you represent anybody else is representing them?
Yes.
State government is
Private councils.
They engage private councils.
They have a panel, my lords.
Panel, separate panel.
state the opinion number one, my lord, is the chairman of the state of that corporation. Representing my
There is a tender committee.
Yes, yes.
my
The tender committee will
My
take
lord,
care of that. How can he
as your lordship pleases, my
notice
my lord,
short notice
Short notes.
violate today?
my lord.
Immediately. I'm directing you to serve
My lord,
by post
my lord.
and file the affidavit of service on the returnable date that is served
Yes, your lords.
with the track report.
Your lords.
Correct?
Your lords.
Even a green part, that inaction of the part of the parliament.
Allowed is, your lordship may kindly peruse your lordship's order dated 1/5/2025 and 9/5/2025. May I just place this order of 1/5 notes. Sri so and so for the petitioner submits that the assessing authority has taken into account the figures relating to Pan India instead of restricting the figures with respect to transactions effected in the state of Odisha while computing the tax liability. He further submits.
That's true. Yes, but it's not really substantiate that it was
The only limited
the finding which was recorded. How much time will it take?
That's
Last 3 episodes.
10 days, your lordship.
No, your lordship will only pray.
Yeah, some step.
Lordship,
My only limited prayer would be
How long it will continue? Just it.
lordship, 10 days. Last chance may be given to lordship.
that was the last chance given on 9/5.
Was it written?
Yes, my lords.
The last
9 as the last chance. Because my limited prayer on those occasions was that all that I prayed.
Then what? Then what?
1 week, your lordship.
No. Was communicated to the authority? Was it communicated to the authority? This order of 9/5?
I'll be verifying.
While you
I'll be verifying lordship this one. 1 week, your lordship.
know
Yesterday, yes.
We can think about.
I
You have communicated with the authorities thereafter did not respond. We are not going to do it. Just tell me that you have communicated.
I'll be verifying my mail, Your Lordship.
Please verify your name and the status. We are making a parcel.
Your Lordship.
Verify.
My lord, in absence of the GST tribunal. My lord, item 17, both the sub items are similar. 6, 7. My lord, both the sub items. Item 18.
In this matter, my lord, there are two cases are clubbed together, my lord. One is WPC number 16119 Mahendra Kumar Mahanto. In that case, already issue, as your lordship has issued notice and granting no coercive action will taken against the petitioner, my lord. And in second case, my lord, your lordship also admitted the matter, but that portion no coercive action will taken against the petitioner is not there in the order. That's why I'm filing in this case for this reason.
Yeah.
No coercive action was taken against the petitioner. That is not there in the order.
Which one order?
That is WPC number
second one. 30281 of two.
Which is attached to it.
16119. Perhaps in the next page.
This is the first one.
No. What this is on 19
no coercive action.
And there not to put in coercive action. So he wants to say
no further action is to be taken.
Yes. That question is committed in that.
It is not there.
The first one.
No, the first. So that's it is similar to that. So he seeks
Order number 1912/2024. It has no further action is to be taken against the petitioner till next date of hearing is there.
So it is both the matters relating to ITDA.
Yeah. In second case, your lordship, we have already filed the count.
Same.
Yes. Sir, in second case, your lordship, we have already filed our counter and they have filed the rejoinder.
Next week. Next week. Next week.
And your lordship, in second case, we have to file the counter only. It may be taken after 2 weeks. In this case, we have already filed.
Which case we have?
In second case, 3028. WPC number 30281 of 2024, Arun Kumar Malik.
That cited on the.
Yeah, lordship. Then.
Will be.
Yeah, right. Yeah, lordship.
Will guide this.
Yeah, right. Sir.
Why unnecessary?
Okay, yeah, lordship. Right. Lordship.
No possibility. So far as interception.
Item 19.
Item 19, Your Lordship, is similar matter. Yes, Your Lordship.
Item 20.
Grateful, my lords.
Both the matters.
Both the matters.
Item number 20, Millards, may I please, Your Lordship. In this case, Millards, the petitioner challenges the order passed under Section 63 of the GST Act, Millards, treating the present petitioner as an unregistered dealer, Millards. If Your Lordship will see Annexure 1, Millards, page number 14.
Cancellation.
Yes, Millards. There was a cancellation. After that cancellation, Millards, when the petitioner got work, on the very next page, Millards, Annexure 2, I got a new registration certificate. As per this registration certificate, Millards, Annexure 2, Millards, page number 15. As per this new registration certificate, Millards, the petitioner continued the work, and after the work, Millard, a so-cause notice as well as an order under Section 73 was passed. I complied with the 73 orders. That 73 has been concluded. After that, Millards, for the same period, from the same circle and for the same subject matter, Millards, a 63 order has been initiated and recovery proceeding has been initiated by creating a temporary ID, treating the petitioner as an unregistered dealer. So,
Where is that?
That 63, Millards, 63 order is, Millards, Annexure 5. Annexure 5 is the order, assessment order under Section 63. Page number 34.
You didn't participate.
No, Millards, that was created, the order initiated under a temporary ID. So I had no knowledge about it. Because I already had a registration, Millards.
No, what is
Temporary ID, Millards, what?
36. He has written this here. But the taxpayer has not disclosed the tax liability for the relevant tax period as the registration of the TP has been cancelled. The TP has been served. So-called notice.
How can it happen, sir? Now that vacuum, this proposal was flexible.
Yes.
2020 was the first certificate was issued, and the validity was not disclosed. So, is an unlimited validity unless the cancellation plan. And then subsequently, how can you treat? And this transaction relates to which period?
My lord, admittedly, both periods are
20, March 2022, April 2021.
So,
Lord,
and the certificate was issued when? Press 2020.
2020.
Operative from? Valid from?
Operative from, Millards, November 2020.
Between the April 2020
Yes.
till November, you were disturbed.
No, Millards. If Your Lordship will see page number 18, that is 73 order, Millards. 73, I have complied in 73, 2020 to 21, they have calculated.
my lord, for a part period, the petitioner was not registered. And I have to verify from page 32. No, my lord, page 32, Your Lordship can please see.
73 proceeding was initiated.
Yes, Lord.
For the same period.
Because for the past period, he was not registered.
Assessed the liability.
Yes, sir. And the amount is different. In both the cases, amount is different. For that reason,
Naturally, one she did not participate.
One is 66.
The figures she has not disclosed in the second one, 63.
And in the previous also, he was.
Sir, 63 at your best judgment or material collected.
In both the cases, material collected, because in the first case also he has not
73 on the production of her material on her participation.
No, he had not participated, but he from
the order has been passed. He has complied with the order.
I will obtain instruction because in My lord, may kindly see 53 lakhs was in the 73 order and 66 lakhs
For the
has been
same
done.
period, can you treat a taxable person two different ways?
My lord, I have
One
to obtain
unregistered
instruction because I have to see whether the prior period contracts have been taken or not. Just 2 weeks time, I will obtain instruction.
What is the key model?
Millets annexure 6 is the recovery proceeding millets. That I have prayed to stay the recovery proceeding millets.
That has to be
Here it is 66 lakh 77.
Submit your photos.
Both the item relates to GST RC cancellation.
22.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, here the petitioner has already been assessed, Your Lordship, for the period 21-22. Initially, there was a scrutiny of return under section 61. The said scrutiny of return was done on 12th of January 2022. So the period that involved for the scrutiny was, Your Lordship, April to September 2021. I have been assessed. Thereafter, I preferred appeal. That appeal stands rejected due to delay. And after the rejection of the delay due to delay condonation, Your Lordship, the money has been debited from my electronic cash ledger, Your Lordship. The entire money has been debited. Thereafter, again, there was a scrutiny of notice that was issued under section 61 for the very same period. But here, there is a difference, Your Lordship. It was issued again for the entire period. April to September, I've already been assessed. Second time, I'm being scrutiny, there is scrutiny of my return, and here it is for the entire period, that is April 21st to March 22nd. April 2021 to March 2022, Your Lordship. Thereafter, there is notice under section 73. Both the proceedings are under section 73. Thereafter, Your Lordship, after that show cause notice, there is no communication. Even in the show cause notice, Your Lordship, PH column says NA, not applicable. There is no opportunity that is granted. I've also annexed the screenshot from the portal, Your Lordship. Directly, there's an order passed without giving me an opportunity. And again, the order for the period April covering September has been overlapped and order has been passed under section 73 for the self-same period, Your Lordship. That is my limited prayer, Your Lordship.
My lord, in fact, the first order was from April to September. The second order is
And they complied with that order. So
Which order, Your Lordship? The first one?
She prepared appeal, appeal
Uh-huh.
was rejected and
The money is debited, Your Lordship.
money was taken.
The second is what I can learn.
Can you prove that?
So I have to obtain instruction in this. If it is included, then it has to go. The part April to September.
Included, the record shows.
I cannot tell without instruction. I cannot tell whether it is included or not. 2 weeks time, because it is admittedly it is 15,70,000 in the first April to September, and it is 30 lakhs 40,000, but separate period.
In both the
Same
assets,
different
issue is same. Mismatch of 3B and 2B, Your Lordship.
It is 30 lakhs. So I have to take instruction.
Total financial year.
Right.
So you have to exclude the other.
The first one should be excluded. I have to take option.
You have already appropriated the tax demands
I will obtain instruction.
from electronic cash ledger. Next week?
2 weeks time.
2 weeks.
Yeah, verification is required, so 2 weeks time.
No process.
It is submitted to the South Council of Prayer.
And just now, Lordship, I receive a parawise comment in my WhatsApp and in mail. If 1 week time may be given, Lordship, I will be filing counter.
Whatever is there by Tuesday to come.
Yes.
Not
Man. Today was. My goodness. Yes.
Item number 23.
Right. Permit Vigilance. In item 23, the state was to file a counter in this matter. As per the previous order.
Let's counter has been filed.
What's the point of view? The court has not decided anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Rather, directing him to take an instruction that why the refund order should not carry an interest at the rate of 24% when you have forced him to pay the amount with an interest of 24%. Equal treatment. And for that, you have come for a review.
Because, my lord.
What decision has been taken by the court? What has not taken any decision?
My lord, may peruse the
order, brother. Court has not taken any decision.
Lord, the decision.
Permitted them to take instruction why it should not be.
My lord, that order is not under review. It is the
order is under review.
Annexure 2, my lord, the subsequent order. That is order dated 12/1/2024. That is under review.
Oh.
The sanction is made. Sanction is made
Yes, madam.
for refund.
Yes, madam.
That is paid.
That is paid, madam. So that is a principal amount. That interest aspect was not dealt with. That is one review petition.
Final
Being filed.
It is the same treatment.
Its counter has been
Same treatment. Right? Decide how to copy.
And my lord, in item number 24.
Yes. Go through it.
Yes, madam.
Would you like to find rejoinder?
I'll go through this.
And in keeping this matter on next Friday.
Yes, madam. Much of this.
Copy of the counter affidavit is deposited for the.
Item 24.
In 24, my lord, the requisites have filed late, because of which it wasn't issued.
Accepted. So yes,
Much of it.
Yes.
Item 25.
I am for the respondent, Your Lordship. I am for the respondent. Case relates to regularization. Government has filed this rate of it.
Yes, 25. Sir, what is this? Another day's delay.
My lord,
354 days delay.
Your lordship directed us to file a better affidavit explaining the delay. It has been filed on 9th of May 2025.
The copy.
Yes, I'm serving just now.
Go through it.
No.
Next Friday, sir.
No.
Item 26.
So they have filed in form of
Item number 26, please, madam. Yes. Malots, here there are two writ appeals, Malots, arising out of a common judgment passed in two writ petitions, Malots. But Malots, inadvertently, there is a delay of 20 days, Malots, for which reason I have filed an IA.
Notice.
Malots.
And the valuable right has accrued. Notice on the
Well, as far as the IAs are concerned, I have not been served. We had appeared for the petitioner in one of the let them serve, we will file our reply to the application for condonation of delay.
You have been served?
No, we have not been served.
I think what we see is you waive the service of notice, accept the copy, and file it.
Malots, I'll do it.
Item number 27.
Grateful, Malots.
In fact, 27, there are two issues that were not prepared, my lord. I was taken by surprise.
Why surprise, sir?
The matter being listed.
That was actually, that matter was heard on 12th of December. Judgment was reserved. Judgment could not be made because under which Chief Justice retired, and therefore reserved come today. Advocate General had argued the matter as past instruction made it has been posted to 4th of August. He will argue the matter.
Okay. Monday. Monday. Monday, there may be clear question. Tuesday, can you lordship have it? If it, they
All
do
right.
not have complaint and advocate general has no inconvenience.
Fifth.
Tuesday. 5th of August. Right.
The consent of parties.
Item 28. Content bill or counter affidavit has not been filed.
The temple administration, Sri Jagannath temple administration, they are to respond. They have been represented by a council.
No, I am appearing for the temple administration matter. So the earlier Subrat's name is there, so but that may be deleted. I have filed already Vakaltanama, and if counter is ready, I am filing during the course.
I could not get it.
Today
Item number 29.
Lordship, this is a matter about postpone of the supply order, sub item 1. Kindly see the last order, 15 May 2025. The last order. Only the sub item 2, the order is for the prayer sub item 2. The sub item 1 prayer is not.
There was a direction that if the undertaking given by the such and such is not complied with by the next date, he shall appear in person with the along with the district project manager and explain the situation.
To the petitioner, your lordship, under LPD and G3 series, your lordship. E3 is the series, the letters of the collector, pursuant to which work orders have been issued.
When you have filed the affidavit, have you given a copy?
Lordship, I got the copy. Actually, Lordship, the sub item 2 prayer is the complied by the opposite party. Now the sub item 1, the prayer is
sub item 1.
Yes, sub
Where
item.
do I get it?
Okay, sub item was the background of the matter.
I have no idea about the matter.
Sub item they not complied the prayer.
What is that, sir? I never dealt with this matter. So you just tell me what.
WPC 6426.
6426 is sub item 1.
6426 is item number 1 or sub item 1? I do not know.
Sub item 1.
Meaning of word sub item.
This is 29 is item and sub item 1 and 2.
What is the connected matter?
Connected matter.
Connected
Let's see. Is
sub item 1 prayer is Lordship, the postpone of the supply order, they did not revoke till now.
Sir, I am looking at WPC 6426. The prayer is made why the postponed B colony will not be received by OP number 1. If the opposite parties fail to show cause, the said rule be made absolute by issuing an appropriate as it deemed proper and also to compensate the contract amount. What is this?
This was not complied by the opposite parties. What complied is the sub item 2 prayer. Sub item 2 prayer, there are also 2 supply order, issuance of 2 supply order. That was complied by them by interference of this honorable court.
What is the matter?
The matter is that issue of supply order of the second agreement. There are 2 agreements in one matter. First agreement is the supply of B colony. Second agreement is the supply of B box and B colony.
What is this B colony?
B colony Madhumakhi, Mohumachi.
You know, Mohumachi, I understand. So you were awarded a contract to create a bee colony.
To supply the bee colony to government.
Beehive.
Beehive. Beehive is the bee box.
Yes, and then?
Then we supplied
the colony means what?
Bee colony is the Madhumakhi livestock. Beehive is the bee box. Yes. Bee colony is the livestock. Their home is the beehive. The bee colony is the livestock. There are 2 items. One is bee colony, one is beehive. What they complied, Lordship, that is the prayer of.
No, we want to know the concept. What is that?
Yes, Lordship.
What for the bee colony is to be given? What is the purpose?
Purpose is for the farmers, for their livelihood development. The farmers, government is supplying the SCST women's group, SSG groups for the development of their livelihood.
Self-help group.
Self-help.
What is supplied to them?
We are supplying bee box and bee colony.
So the beehive, a box. And
yes.
Then within the bee box, the beehive means there must be something at which contains the
bee. Beehive is containing the bee.
Which contains the honey.
Honey contains the when the colony is pushed into the beehive, then the honey will be made automatically. They will collect.
You culture the beehive and then put it into the box and give it to them, and so that it grows.
Right, Lordship.
So this is bee colony.
Bee colony. There are 2 writ petitions, Lordship.
So what has happened? So you have supplied or not supplied?
We had supplied the bee colony first. Then the second agreement came into force. between the supply order. That second agreement, there is a clause in second agreement that rest colony of the first agreement will be supplied in the second agreement tenure. But there is another clause in second agreement that the second agreement is valid up to 2 years from issue of the second agreement's purchase order. They did not issue the purchase order, that is the 2022. Then after the interference of the Honorable High Court, they issue the order in 2025.
Correct.
Which prayer has been complied of the sub item 2.
Correct.
The sub item 2 prayer is they are not issuing the supply order of the second agreement. 2022 agreement. They have complied now after the interference of the Honorable High Court. But they did not comply the prayer of the 6426 that the first orders, those who left in first order, they have to revoke the postponed order. They till today they did not revoke the postponed order. That is the difficulty for me. I am unable to supply.
So your prayer in this writ petition is the non-payment of the amount which you have
That is another request disposed of already.
that is 6426.
6518 already disposed of in last rate.
I am looking at 6426, sir.
6426 order, that is order in, there is two order in 6426.
First paragraph you says that the petitioner files this writ application against the illegal and arbitrary action of the opposite party for not paying the invoice amount of the work order issued by the general manager.
That is 6518.
It's fine.
18. Which was disposed of in the last occasion?
6426.
So 6426 is an application related to illegal action for the postpone of the supply order.
No. Sir, I think there is a confusion.
Three matters connectingly take up.
Paying the invoice.
Yes.
But prayer is something different. I think that from the earlier section,
or they have borrowed it. Oh. But there was no renewal of the contract.
They renewed the contract in
When
2022.
they
Annexer 11
said,
series.
they said you supply, then you supplied up to 3rd of September 2024 everything. Then they issued a postpone that you please do not supply more.
Right.
And then you applied for it that why you should not be permitted to supply more.
Right.
The authorities have decided not to supply more. Then how
They
can
did a agreement that the balance of B colony of supply order number so and so.
That was under the old contract.
New contract.
Where is the new contract?
11 Annexer 11 series, Lordship, page number 8.
What is the date?
Date 6 June 2022.
6 June
2022.
22. So that was supplied.
That was
in
not
your paragraph you have already said. You have in paragraph. In paragraph 11, you have said that on 20th of June 2022, the collector and chairman come managing trustee.
This is about
the budgeting of such and such out of DMF fund for 2 years for implementation of beekeeping program, in addition to more than 5,500 women, and also approved the signing of the agreement with the petitioner for the purpose of beekeeping.
In this agreement, it was clause that the rest fee colony of 2021 is to be supplied. In Annexer 11.
Then you say that on 26, 2022, you have already supplied approximately 90% of the ordered bee colonies.
Lordship.
In previous agreement.
Lordship. After that, they send me postponed order.
And
10%.
For supply of an additional bee colony to new 5,500 women beneficiaries. In this additional agreement, it was agreed by both the parties that the rest bee colony that would be supplied. You supplied it because there was a review committee, there was a decision.
We supplied in second tenure. The second tenure is valid up to issue of the supply order 2 years. They issued the supply order of second tenure 2025. After the order of this Honorable High Court.
20th June 2022,
Lordship.
the agreement which you have enclosed as Annexer 11,
11.
page 87, that shows 1 year from the date of issue of work order.
Another clause in clause 12, 89, page number. Same annexer. May I read?
Under normal circumstances, the contract shall be valid for a period of 2 years from the date of issue of work order.
They now issue the work order in 2025.
Work order was issued on
June 2025.
25.
Yes, that's where they are complying last order by the intervention of the order.
So it will be valid for 2 years from there.
From there, but they are not revoking the postponed order of the rest 10% order which I had not supplied. They postponed. They are not revoking. That is the issue. They comply the order of the second day.
Under the earlier agreement.
The supply order should be issued on 2022, but they did not issue. I come before your lordship. After the intervention of the lordship, they issue the supply 25. But they issue only the second agreement order. They are not revoking the postponed of the 10% order, which was not supplied by me after their postponed order. That is my prayer in 6426, lordship.
Only thing is, does it include that particular older one where you have suspended
For all
this supply?
Next Friday.
Take instructions. Do a substantial. Comes a small one.
Item number 30.
Item number 30, my lords. Here, my lords, I am a bidder. Lords may see. Annexure 1 is the. No, I'm so sorry.
Yes.
No, Annexure 2 is the RFP. They invite tenders for execution of certain works. Now, I participate, I'm sorry. I participate, my lords. On participation, my lords, will see Annexure 3 is the
My lord,
document I
in this
submitted.
case, we received the rejoinder on 15th.
All these
So I need
documents.
some time to. My lord, I'm sorry, my lord, I'm busy. I received the rejoinder on 15th. So at least 10 days time may be allowed.
I have one solution, my lords. We can close this issue today. My representation is Annexure 6.
No, it cannot be considered. It cannot be considered. If you give 10 days time, then I will.
Let me see one annexure. We will understand what is the what is the dispute all about. Page 1125. Before that, Miller's annexure 4 series 1069. We may see for a moment.
Make up your mind.
Yes, 1069. Miller's annexure 10.
Go to that.
Page 1069. Annexure 4.
Yes.
The case is that I have not given physical documents. Of certain documents I have not given physically. Here is the proof that I have given all these documents physically. Now, my lords, annexure 5. Page, more specifically, my lords, page 1215 of annexure 5. This 15 bidders participated. My serial number is 1. My only all of them, their documents are received. My lord may see the remarks column. My only one problem is they are saying that documents received except appendix 3. Now, my lords, yes.
Where do I get it?
Lords, page 1215, physical documents received confirmation, serial number 1. The remarks column.
Document. Oh, you are the first.
Yes.
Except appendix 3.
Yes. Now, this is the case. Now, my lords, annexure 6, my lords, is my representation. As of now, they have not technically disqualified. I represent that I have given all these documents which you have pointed out. And as on today, I cannot, because these hard copies were submitted, I cannot even resubmit those documents. But there is a catch here. in virtual copies of all these hard copies have been submitted, and that is not denied. Now, my lords, what my prayer is.
Where is the acceptance by them? Not denied when you say.
Yes, my lords. My lords may come. Now, my lords, they have only appendix 3 POA for lead member. Now, my lords may see here the virtual copies. My lords, annexure. I'm sorry. Annexure 3, my lords.
Yes. Which page?
Annexure 3, 125.
Yes.
My lords.
125.
These are the documents that they are saying that they have no first document. My lords may see annexure 5A. This is a power of attorney.
Annexure
5. That is just nominal annexure V in that petition. Annexure 3, annexure V, first page to the top end.
I am at page 125.
Yes, my lords.
No doubt, but there are documents. I just wanted which one you want to. There is a doc desk. There is a doc file name. I just wanted to know, sir, where what you are.
Yes, yes. I bow down.
Please.
I'm sorry. My lords may see.
You say undisputed. I just wanted to know where
Yes,
is
my
an
lord. Yes,
undisputed situation.
My lords may see 3.2, serial number 3.2.
Yes.
TZIPL annexure VA.
Yes.
The next, my lords, next joint venture AECIPL annexure VA.
Yes.
LIDPL annexure VA. All these documents I have given to them.
What is this document?
These contain the POA. They are searching for a POA.
So where is the admission, or it is not disputed?
Yes, my lords.
Because these are in the PDF file. What is contained in the PDF form is not visible here.
Yes, my lords. Now, my lords.
That is why they wanted to take an instruction and come whether it contains.
No, my lords. They have taken instruction. They have filed reply.
Where is the reply?
Yes, my lords. May come to.
Show us.
In the reply, my lords. Their case in reply is not that you have not supplied. Their case is very.
Show us.
Yes, my lord. Yeah, I understand.
I have read the file. I have not.
Yes, yes.
Let us see.
Just a moment.
I think I have a right or I should be given an opportunity to.
Yes, my lords. Of course. Yes. Milos may come to pay para.
Counter.
Counter, my lords. Counter.
Yes. Tell me, para.
$10 minutes.
Yes.
Then they say that the closing date, I'm reading, for the submission of bid was 18/11/2024. The bidders / participants who have offered their bid have been scrutinized by opening the sealed envelope by duly known.
Where is their admission? They say that there is a last date. Thereafter, envelopes were opened.
Yes,
everything is scrutinized.
Yeah, it was not found. The document was not found.
Where is that?
Document was not found, my lords. That is
where they say.
The document was not found.
Where they say.
Yes, my lords. Page 1215.
Here in the counter.
Yes, my lords. So I am sorry. I thought my lords was asking that.
When you say undisputed, please tell us. Then we will say that their decision is wrong. They themselves had admitted.
Virtual submission, my lords. They are not denying the. I'm sorry, my lords. Then I put it wrongly. Virtual submission is not denied. Physical submission is denied.
My God. Virtual submissions, have they said anywhere? Yes. It was.
Yes.
Contained all the documents. But physical, it does not contain this document. So I have. Where is that?
Understood. That query.
Because we can't go and open PDF.
Yes. Let me come to page 1210.
1210,
my lords. It says The 1210, this
1210.
it is 1210, just this is a description of documents, the context specific documents attached by bidders.
1210.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Open. Yes. Which color? 2, 3, what?
Yes, my lords. Context type.
Context type.
Yes, my lords. Docs description. Through the 3 columns, my lords. Context type, docs descriptions, and bidder name. Bidder name is mine, 1.
I do not get it at 1210, sir.
109, my lords, it starts. 1210 is the relevant portion.
Is 1210 I am at.
Yes, my lords. Serial number 1 is mine.
Serial number 1 is not at 1210.
1209.
1209 it starts.
Yes, my lords. My lords, bidder name, it is mine. The bidder is my name.
Yes.
Now the context type is commercial compliance. Mr. 6 first, now I'm not there.
Correct.
And now my lords, second step. Physical docs mandatory submission.
Yes.
My lords, now my lords there. Annexure BII, bid security, appendix 2I, appendix 3 and 4. Now my lords, next line. Special financial criteria, AECPL, annexure 3, LIDPL, annexure 3.1, LIDPL, that is my joint venture partner, TZIPL, annexure 3.1, and TZIPL, annexure 3.2, TZIPL, annexure 3.3, TZIPL, annexure 3. Now, next line, my lord. Special technical criteria, annexure 2 and 4. The documents are annexure 4 is there, which they are searching. No, the whole dispute, Millers, is not technical, virtual submission. This physical submission. I am saying I have given. They are saying you have not received. Now, for that, I rely on annexure 4. Page annexure 4 will give a detailed description given all documents. Where there it is signed by them, received the sealed envelope.
Where you have stated in your petition and how they have dealt with in their affidavit. Show us.
Yes, Millers.
Where you have stated in your petition that it may not be in a physical submission of the documents, but it was always there in the virtual or electronic submission of the documents. Show us where you have made out a case.
Yes, Millers. Millers, para 5. All these documents that we are disputing, my lords, have to be virtually submitted. Now, para 5, my lords. Para 5, para 6. Both I have submitted. That all documents I have submitted in virtual mode in para 5. Para 6 is for physical submission. Relevant portion, Millers, the petitioner also in compliance of clause 2.112, read with clause 2.113, 2.114, 2.115, submitted the original documents.
How they have dealt with paragraph?
They have not given para-wise. I was checking. If they may see the para-wise, there is no para-wise reply. There is a reply on 2 grounds. They are saying the writ application is premature and the technical evaluation is still going on. If so required, we will ask you if any document is required from your side. These are the 2 grounds they have taken in their counter affidavit. No specific reply to that contention has been given as of now.
Para 14 of the counter.
Yes, my lords. Para 14. That in present case, procedure given a request proposal and notice inviting tender, no clarification has been sought till date. That is what they are saying. They are not saying that I have not given the virtual copies. So, my lords, the whole thing boils down to a decision whether physical copies have been served or not. I am saying it has been misplaced at your office because I have given the physical copies, scanned copies at Annexure 4. So there is no.
Mr. DSG, what kind of a counter is filed here? You have not dealt with each of the amendments made in the petition. No reply to that. Please unmute your system.
Yes, my lord. I think my audio. Yes.
What kind of a reply is there? You have not dealt with on a parawise. A very specific case is made out in paragraph 5 and 6. No answer. So why not go by a doctrine of non-traverse and then say that you have admitted impliedly? It says so.
My lord, may I pry, my lord? After 10, they'll also make
No, it is
because they have filed the rejoinder before 2 days. I am praying, my lord, next week any day also may fix then.
Come on Monday then. Come on Monday.
Monday minutes.
Argue. Argue on Monday. That's the only convenience for us.
Can be done 23rd or 22nd.
No, it is only convenience day for us, for both of us.
Then my lord, fix the 21st. Yes.
No, my
Tuesday come.
Monday, Millers, Monday. Tuesday. Monday or Thursday, Millers. Tuesday, I have some. Thursday, Tuesday and Wednesday, I'm Supreme Court. I'm going to Supreme
Come on Thursday next.
Court. Yes.
Next Thursday.
Yes, we can solve this entire dispute if my representation is allowed to be considered. I am not interested. That will be the
I have
last.
a very strong motion. Disposing of the writ petition or this for consideration of the representation is augmented in another litigations to come to the court.
Something else is there, that's why I'm not agreeing. Otherwise, I cannot stand on the way to consider.
Something else is not there. Anyhow.
Yes.
Item number 31.
Much or less.
Maybe pardon, your lordship. 31, your lordship. We need 4 more weeks time to file a reply, your lordship.
Yes. What do you say, sir?
Well, let them file a counter, lordship.
4 weeks. 32 is connected, your lordship. So 31 and 32. 4 weeks.
I think this Union no record to file any counter because the regional authorities are up. The state will file it out.
What is this? What is the matter about?
Well, let me tell you, lordship. There's the under the rules of the center of the mining, you have to pay 4 dues: royalty, DMF, enmity, and premium. Now, except for premium is required to be paid on the 20th day of the successive month. And royalty, DMF, and enmity, there is a provision for payment of provisional payment, provisional royalty. So what happens, my lord? These all royalties are ad valorem. So the price is fixed by the Indian Bureau of Mines. And that comes sometimes within the month, sometimes later. So Rule 40 provides, my lord, for a mechanism of a provisional payment of royalty. It says that you pay this, and when the ASP will come,
it will be assessed, and thereafter, what is the differential that
will be paid? Now that Rule 40 does not contain the expression premium. So the submission is Rule 40 doesn't cover premium, but premium has been paid. The differential premium has been paid by us. The question of law is the lordships have to decide ultimately whether premium is payable or not. That is one part. My lord, second part is, and that is with regard to the stay which is there, that they gave me a notice, my lord, for payment of 15 months of premium. And this was without a notice to me. I make a representation to them saying that this is not payable. They dispose of the representation and then within 12 days I pay the interest. I pay the premium. What they say is, I will charge you interest for the whole month. So one question one is whether provisional payment of royalty, etc. will include premium. Second, assuming you charge me interest, will you give me a 7 days notice or a reasonable amount of time? And if it is an ex parte, then whether that will be calculated from the date of the original notice or the date we decide. These are the two small points.
We find that Justice another division of Justice Mahapatra has already applied its mind on the same issue.
Well, the prima facie notice was issued.
True.
Yes.
He has already applied its mind.
Yes, it's a very detailed order.
Is it not advisable that he should hear out the matter? Because I find a very extensive order has been passed.
Lord, there are two short points. Let them file a counter, your lordship may hear that. We will assist your lordship.
It's better to go. Let him decide.
As your lordship pleases.
Let him decide. Yeah? We find that.
But the roster is not with his lordship, unless your lordship pass an order to that.
Find that will.
Not an interim order is there. Interim order to continue.
If there be any.
34.
Item 34, I pray, my lord, I have received counter filed by the Revenue Department. I have received counter. I will file a rejoinder, my lord.
Lordship, I am appearing for the opposite party here, the private opposite party.
The minister says that he has received
Received
a counter
counter.
today
Your Lordship, there's a limited prayer that I have. On last occasion, on 2nd April, Your Lordship has passed an interim direction, Your Lordship. Your Lordship,
No,
kindly see. Since we have found that prima facie case has been made out, the department is directed to provisionally issue a GST certificate at a principal place of business for which there does not appear to be any dispute. Such issuance of provisional certificate is subject to result of the instant writ application.
My lord.
Your Lordship, my entire prayer is, I have also filed an IA to that effect.
You wanted a permanent one?
No, Your Lordship,
No.
no. I am for the opposite party. My land that has been leased out.
Whatever you just filed, we are keeping
Your,
this matter on next.
Your Lordship,
My-
department has allowed them to operate in the additional place of business. That is the very dispute.
Come on the next Friday, we'll see to it.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Receive the count.
There has been contempt of Your Lordship's order.
Then please for an accommodation to produce.
No,
the above.
I have received counter earlier, not today. Next Monday, my lord. Friday, I have
Friday,
some
Lordship.
difficulty.
Friday.
Next Monday.
Yes, Friday.
Friday, I pray, my lord.
Then Thursday.
No, the next Monday.
Earlier.
Friday, Your Lordship may call it.
Yes, Friday.
Obliged to.
Or earlier. No difficulty.
Thursday, my lord.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Come on Thursday.
My lord.
Yes.
My lord, in item number 35, Your Lordship, in pursuance and in obedience to Your Lordship's order, on 16th May, we served all the notice through registered post. And so far the respondents are concerned, Your Lordship, in item number 1, Your Lordship, 4A, 4B, 4C, 4E, and the respondent number 9. Postal tracking report is 5. That it has been delivered to them. So that may be made sufficient in respect of all the respondents. Then the next item, Your Lordship, will find the item delivered addressee for respondent number 4A, 4B, 49, and the item number delivered sender for respondent number 4C, 4E. Undelivered notices from respondent number 4D and the respondent number 8 returned with the reports. No such addressee
is found at the address. Then it's
that
not a
is
good
there.
service.
But these are the address, Your Lordship, with Your Lordship permission. These are the address we have brought from the writ application they have filed.
Oh.
That is the address. So by special messenger, they have avoided. So Your Lordship may direct. So far these respondents are concerned, I will get close.
It appears that the service
That will do the needful. Another item. So for this service of
there is only one item at item number 35.
No, the last. No, last sub item, Your Lordship. Regarding service of copy on state council. 2 and 3.
No, we don't have a sub item.
No. Objection. The docket note.
I
Receipt showing service
serving. That I will serve within next week, Your Lord.
Receipt the appeal memo as on paper shall be.
It is within that
served on,
floating. It is
respondent
within
number
that
2 and
floating
3.
and last. It is within that floating and last it has
Yes,
stated that.
respondent number 2 and 3 you are appearing.
No, I am appearing for respondent number 1.
2 and 3 you are appearing.
That I will serve copy on them. State council.
Within a week as on paper. Huh? Last year.
Sorry, I have to sit at 3:30, but I thought I'm sitting idle. What to do?
That's what we were discussing about that. Those who are appearing from outside, they may have reflection.
No, that is what I thought. I am told that some you are here, so I thought that let me.
Some will be appearing virtually.
No. If you see, then I will sit at 3:30.
No.
I thought.
No.
Because I completed the roster before the races, so I just thought what I will do
It's
for 1.5 hours.
pleasure and privilege for us.
For us.
No. Yes.
Item 1, sir. May it please your lordship, my lords.
Yes, sir.
My lords, it's a fresh matter, my lords. Both the matters on board. And it's the arbitration clause, if your lordship see
The service has to be affected. We'll see arbitration clause later on.
My lords, I'll take notice that.
Yes, notice.
In both matters.
After 3 weeks.
My lords, may I pray for one indulgence, my lords? One indulgence.
Yes, all indulgence.
My lords, I will take also notice by email, because sometimes this respondent, my lords.
Do all modes.
All modes, my lords. I'm so grateful, my lords. I'm so grateful.
Item 2.
Item 2, my lord, same notices to be issued.
Item number 3.
Any pass over there.
Item 4.
Let's pass over.
Item number 5.
Yes, sir. Undelivered notice kept. What has happened, sir?
My lord, the said notice may be treated as sufficient because he is an employee.
Can I look what is the
No such person.
no such person at that?
Yes, my lord. My lord may peruse the Annexure 5. It is the said opposite party and the notice issued by their advocate, wherein the address is the same to which the notices were issued.
Now then, sir, if he is avoiding a service, then you know the
Yes, my
other mode of service to be affected.
Yes, my lord.
Take out for a substituted service.
Then, my lord, I may be permitted to send the fresh notice by way of special peon.
Sir, you'll have to take out.
Okay, my lord. Much obliged, my lord.
Say that he is still there, but he's avoiding.
Yes, my lord. I'll file a petition to that effect.
And leave is granted to the petitioner to take out an application for substituted service. Next week.
Yes, my lord.
Item 6.
Item 6, my lord. The opposite parties appeared in this matter. They took time to file their counter. Till date, no counter has been filed.
Who is the opposite party? Can you give a notice? Should I
Yes,
go as party? But I do not find any name reflected in any of the order. Only your name, SS Bhunya, is appearing for the petitioner. Opposite party, none. I'm looking at order dated 15/9/13/23/10. There is no appearance of the opposite party. That is what is the difficulty in service. What has happened? Return with? It has been served. No one appears.
No one appears, my lord.
So where is what do you want? Should we go ex parte?
Yes, my lord.
Or you can just to give another chance. So this matter was listed way back in
Yes,
22.
Then, my lord, if my lord may permit me, I'll take fresh steps. Otherwise, she may be set ex parte and at least the arbitration proceeding may be initiated, my lord. The arbitration tribunal will look after the validity of the service mark.
Arbitral tribunal, definitely it will give you a notice.
Yes, my lord.
It will give her a notice. What is the dispute?
The dispute is with regards to an agreement was entered into the party. Agreement was entered into for sale of the land, my lord.
Okay.
Wherein part payment of the consideration amount was done. There was an arbitration clause at page 13, my lord, in the said agreement.
In the said agreement?
Yes, my lord. Page 13, the fourth paragraph, the last paragraph.
Yes. Now what has happened?
Subsequently, the petitioner issued an advocate notice calling upon her to conclude the contract.
Where is that notice?
That notice is at page 16, my lord.
Yes.
Annexure 2 starts from page 15. The notice is at page 16, my lord. The said notice calling upon her to be present at the sub-registrar office. She did not, she denied that notice, my lord, vide Annexure 3.
Where is that?
The denial was is at Annexure 3, my lord, page 18.
Yes.
That the ground taken there is that she is not inclined to go ahead with the request made by the advocate of the petition.
Why it says?
She is stating that as 3 years have already elapsed, so no claim against the payment.
So she has taken a plea of limitation.
Yes, my lord. So subsequently,
was the time and essence of a contract?
no, my lord. The time was not an essence of the contract. Subsequently, an advocate notice invoking the arbitration clause was sent vide Annexure 4, page 20, my lord. The operating portion is at page 21. The last paragraph, my lord. Hence, my client suggests the name of Shri Vishnu Prasad Biswal to be appointed as an arbitrator to resolve the dispute.
Any reply?
She gave a reply, my lord. That is at Annexure 6. Stating that there is no such clause for arbitration in the agreement. That is the only reply, my lord. And now, my lord, even after valid service of the notice, she is refusing to appear before this honorable court or to cooperate with the petitioner to resolve the dispute existing between them.
Has she obtained the permission from IDCU?
To that effect, my lord, she is remaining silent. And as
Now
for
it says that his permission has to be obtained within a year.
Within a year, my lord.
So your right to apply that accrues after 1 year.
After 1 year, my lord.
So that will take us to 11th of April 2020.
20, which comes within the COVID period, my lord. Because from 28th February 2020 till 28th February 2022, as per the judgment of the Supreme Court, my lord, that period may be excluded from calculation of limitation. So subsequent to that, have filed this petition on 3/7/2023.
No, not this petition. I'm just talking about section 21 application, the notice.
Yes, sir. Section 21 notice, my lord, has been given on
Show us that
10th.
article, show us the article of from the Limitation Act that the right to apply for a specific performance of an agreement for sale accrues from the date when the refusal is made known to you. Where is that article?
Yes, ma'am. My lord, may peruse Article 54 of the limitation for specific performance of a contract. In 3 years, the date fixed for the
I
performance.
know, that's why I asked you, time is the essence of the contract or not. And then it says when a plaintiff has a notice that the performance is refused, that is what I say that when they have refused.
I humbly apologize.
Okay. Despite the notice having served upon the respondent. There is correct. And he will appear at 3:30. If I dispose of the matter ex parte, then he may come and recall of the order on that ground itself.
Yes, sir.
So the entire exercise will go in futility.
Maybe next week.
Keep it on next week.
Yes,
Better. I understood.
Item number 7.
Much obliged. Lords, this is a case your lordship has heard and notes of submissions have also been filed regarding substituted arbitrator during.
I will do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I did not find time. I will do it. You will get it in the next order.
Next week.
Why?
For
I think arguments have been over. No argument. You are for?
Opposite party. For Elma Patro.
Next week on the 5th. Let him come.
I have given my notes and judgments. Grateful.
Is there?
Yes.
Great.
Item number 8.
Item 8, I am for the opposite party, Your Lordship.
Today is the next Passover.
Your Lordship.
Item 9.
Passover next.
Item 10.
Next.
Item number 11.
Your Lordship, I am appearing behalf of the petitioner Milords in this particular influence matter. The Lonit's opposite counsel is absent as of now. So I proceed with the facts for Your Lordship's convenience.
For ex parte disposal.
Your Lordship?
For ex parte disposal.
No, Your Lordship, this is fresh ARPP.
So fresh, I do not know. The counter affidavit is filed.
Yes, Your Lordship. Rejoinder has been filed.
Also filed. So
Yes.
it's not a fresh matter, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, I do not want because The other side may not have a notice that I'm sitting early.
Yes, Your Lordship, that is it. Your Lordship, for Your Lordship convenience, I have filed the.
Pass over.
Item 12.
Well, I am for the opposite party. Take 2 weeks time for filing counter.
You have filed your appearance?
My lord. My power is there for the opposite party.
Anybody knows Mr. S. Rautre? The opposite party appears after the notice.
I'm for the petitioner.
You have not filed a rejoinder. You are for the petitioner.
Yes, madam. I'm for the
not
petitioner.
filed rejoinder.
My lord, I have not received the copy of the counter as of yet.
Oh my. Mr. M.M. Patnaik.
I'm for the petitioner.
No, I understand. Pass over then. Not filed.
Counter is not
counter affidavit. Counter has not been.
Counter is not been.
Pass over.
Item 14.
Next.
Item number 15.
Both sides are here.
Yes, both sides are here. We have agreed, my lord, Justice Vishwanath Ratha to be. My lord, Honorable Justice Vishwanath Ratha as the arbitrator.
Both of you?
Yes.
Serial number 20 in that list, my lord.
Yes.
invoked the bank guarantee and also terminated the contract. That I will raise before the arbitrator.
Everything will be decided.
Grateful, man. Grateful, man.
Item note 16, placed.
May it please your lordship, I'm sorry, my lord, I'm appearing online. Your lordship, I am for the respondents. We have received the rejoinder. My lord, I'm led by my learned senior, Mr. Pangari, who is unavailable today. But I was only requesting if it can be taken up the next time, my lord, your lordships, I think he has some personal difficulty.
Each Friday on his prayer.
My
Opposite
lord.
party.
My lord, I appear for the
Opposite parties, my lord, yes, your lordship.
my petition, my lord.
My lord, I am appearing along with my learned friend, my lords, that rejoinder we have already filed to the counter. Let that be brought on record, my lords. Around 10 days back, we have already filed the rejoinder. That your lordships may direct.
Bring it on record.
Yeah, no, the cause list says it has not been filed. Deeply obliged, my lord. Grateful.
17.
May too. I am for the opposite party, madam. I am
Have
for the
yesterday-
petition. Yesterday filed my response and also served the copy. I
Your
have 2
what?
weeks time for filing
Filing
a
a
rejoinder.
rejoinder.
My lord.
He has received the copy of the
Yes,
counter.
my lord.
The counsel for the petitioner prays for an accommodation. No, sorry, prays for a leave to file rejoinder to the counter affidavit served upon him. 2 weeks from the this is the matter immediately thereafter.
Item 18. Item number 19.
19, my lord. Your lordship, I'm item number 18. I am for the opposite party, your lordship. Your lordship, time to file objection, your lordship.
Petitioner is not here. Let him pass over. 19.
Item 19.
He has filed an 11-6 petition. But here, my lord, the award has already been passed.
Oh?
Award has already been passed.
Really? Then section 11 and then award.
Award, no, my lord. I am for the opposite party, Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. My lord, the award has also been passed, my lord.
Passed by whom?
By the arbitrator, my lord. We have not come forward. He has filed this 11-6 application, but already award has been passed.
Award has been passed just now. I had not at council, my lord.
Who passed the award? The
My
named
lord.
arbitrator.
My lord, in the arbitrator, sole arbitrator.
I have a challenge under section 11, my lord.
Section 11, can you challenge the arbitral award?
No, ma'am.
Yes, I don't. I just know that he said that the
He's saying
already
that-
award passed. Let them copy, sir.
I'll solve.
File rejoinder after 4 weeks.
Really?
Sir, I am out of station next week.
I am unable to comprehend the law. That is what is my problem.
Let me see a copy.
Actually, my lord.
Let them
Sir, you have filed an application under section 11(6). For what?
My lord, interim order has been
For
passed.
what?
Yes,
For passing an interim order?
Yes, my lord.
Section 9.
Section 9, my lord.
Excised by me. Interesting.
Now he said, my lord and brother said that final order has been passed, but no order has been communicated.
He's not able to understand.
Sir, your application indicates one thing, that there is a dispute, arbitrator to be appointed to adjudicate.
My lord.
He's coming and saying the award is passed. So I am perplexed. What is this?
He says, sir. He says, sir.
I have not appointed the arbitrator as of now.
Therefore, I'll come
Then from where the award comes?
Therefore, I'll come from this court, my lord.
Then from where this award comes? I am just asking.
My lord, it is, my lord, from the loan agreement, my lord. Let him take a copy, that my lord, it will be. I'll serve him a copy there.
Give him a copy.
I'll serve.
The prayer of the petitioner adjourned for 2 weeks. Serve him a copy, take steps, whatever.
Yes, sir.
As per
Item 20.
Much.
Item 21.
Your lordship was pleased to issue notice to the opposite parties.
21 minutes. 21 minutes. I have instructions to appear for the opposite party. The wakalatnama is in transit, my lords. Just a week's time to file my wakalatnama, my lords.
Next week, your lordship.
Yes, sir.
Item
Next week,
22.
madam.
22, I have entered appearance on behalf of opposite party number
Permitted
1.
to. I'm withdrawing this application, Your Lordship. We are withdrawing this application. We are no longer.
I am appearing for OP number.
Everything is sorted out.
At least so far as my client is concerned.
No, it's not sorted out. My lords. Dispute between four brothers and arbitration clauses there, my lords. And Honorable Justice.
So good sense has prevailed among
No,
the
my
brothers.
lords.
No. Only I am only a
Let
single.
them put a quitus to their issues.
Well, lords, but item 4
As far
still
as
remains.
this matter, my lords, it's a dispute amongst brothers. One of them doesn't want to pursue.
My lords. Item 4 still remains, my lords.
This matter we may be permitted.
Today's list. Item 4.
Item
4. That was passed over, my lords. It relates to that.
So this, the petitioner herein does not want to proceed.
Press.
Must.
Not press.
That's not press.
Your Lordship, we have entered appearance on behalf of opposite party number 1. Lordship, our presence may be required.
Record your name for good purposes.
Yes, Lord.
And my name also, my lords.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So then my name also may be recorded.
For the non-prosecution or withdrawal.
Withdraw.
Affidavit. Withdrawal.
All our names may be then recorded.
Obviously, for good reason.
We great.
No doubt.
You are all great.
Give your memo of appearances.
Yes.
Already filed.
Anybody in any matter where both the parties are here.
My lords, item
Both the
4.
parties.
No, item 4 has been passed over.
I know it, sir. If all the parties are here, I can take up the matter.
No, that is a fresh admission. Item 4.
Item number 3 is a fresh admission, ma'am.
Fresh admission.
Yes, sir.
So notice.
Note.
Item
Notice 2 weeks. Notice 2 weeks. 3 and 4.
Item 4, my lords.
Notice.
Yes, my lords. Arbitrator was
4.
appointed, Honorable Justice.
My lord, in item 3, my lord, we are appearing for it.
Notice.
Oh, then it's all right. Then you file your counter. Have you filed your Wakalatama?
No, we'll file a memo appearance, my lord.
Yeah. Wakalatama has been filed.
My lord, it has. I have not filed my memo appearance on behalf of Union of India. I have not filed.
This coinage of word is something different to me. That's why.
My lord, in this matter,
I am groomed where memo of appearance means I am appearing today in the matter. Recognition that I am appearing.
I'll file it
But
today.
Wakalatama is an authority given to you to appear.
My lord, we are appearing for
their counsels and there also the Wakalatama has to be filed. Does not require any stamp, court fees or something.
I'll file. I'll file.
The appearance memo. That's what the system
is.
I am getting myself acclimatized with this expression.
Item 3, my lord, will. I'll file.
Item 4.
In item 3, I'll file.
Not just adjourn.
I'll have them a copy, my lord.
Please, sir.
Yes, great.
Well, item 4, my name may be reflected. Item
Sure,
4.
sir.
Obliged.
Any matter where both sides.
Item number 8.
Not just ask any matter where both sides. Both sides are here, no difficulty. Then come in the next Friday.
Your Lordship, item 12, the notice has already been issued. This is the third time they are not appearing.
Come on the next Friday.
Okay, all obliged, Your Lordship.
Not recording any order on that.